Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wished your Mac could work faster without constantly clicking through apps and folders? In this video, I will show you how to use Alfred on your Mac. We will cover installation, basic features and some powerful shortcuts that can save you a lot of time every day. Let's get started. Alfred is a free productivity app for macOS that acts as a powerful search tool and application launcher. Instead of opening Finder or Launchpad, you simply press a keyboard shortcut, type what you are looking for, and Alfred finds it instantly. With Alfred, you can launch apps, search files and folders, perform quick calculations, search the web, open websites, control your Mac faster. The free version includes most essential features while the Powerpack unlocks advanced automation and workflows. Now let's download and install Alfred. First open your Safari browser and search for Alfred for Mac. Then press enter. Now you can see the official website. Click on it. Now you can see here download Alfred 5. Click on this. As you can see, the DMG file is downloaded successfully. Now let's install it. First double click on the DMG file. Now just drag Alfred to the application folder like this. And that's it. As you can see on your launchpad, it is added. Now let's open it. Click on Alfred. Click on open. As you can see here, the interface. Just skip setup. Click on OK. Now, the first time you open it, macOS may ask for a few permissions. Allow them so Alfred can work properly. Now let's set the hotkey. When Alfred apps open, you will see its preferences. Go to General first, then look for the hotkey option. You can see here Alfred hotkey. By default, Alfred usually opens with the option plus space shortcut key, as you can see here. If this shortcut conflicts with another app, simply choose a different key combination. Just simply, I have selected the arrow key to launch the Alfred, as you can see on my screen. Now press your shortcut key and Alfred search bar will appear instantly, as you can see here on my screen. Now let's launch the applications. Press your Alfred shortcut and type the app which you want to open. Let's suppose I want to open Safari. Safari. As you can see here, Safari. As you can see on my screen, it is open. You can do the same with apps like Chrome. As you can see here, the Chrome is open. Notes. As you can see here, Calendar. As you can see here, every app is opening with the shortcut key. No need to search through Launchpad anymore. And you can search files as well. Need a document quickly, open Alfred and type for the project report. Alfred instantly shows matching files. Select the file and press enter. Perform quick calculation. Alfred also works as a calculator. Open Alfred and type something like 24 into 5. As you can see here. Then press enter. 120. As you can see here, the calculations. You can also calculate percentage, division, additions and more without opening calculator. You can also search the web. You can also search Google directly. Simply type your search query into Alfred. Let's suppose Mac best apps. You can see here the search, Wikipedia, Google search, Amazon. Just open it and look it from here. If you upgrade to the Alfred Powerpack, you unlock even more powerful features. These include custom workflows, clipboard history, snippets, file actions, automation, music controls, advanced search options. For power users, these features can save hours every week. However, if you are just getting started, the free version is already excellent. That's how you use Alfred on your Mac. It's one of the best productivity tools available for macOS, helping you launch apps, find files, perform calculations, and work much faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.